Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about computer acronyms and its meaning. Let's begin the video. ACL means access control list. ADF means automatic document feeder. AGF means accelerated graphics port. AIX means advanced interactive executive. ANSI American National Standards Institute. ARCnet Attached Resource Computer Network. ASCII American Standard Code for Information Interchange. ATA Advanced Technology Attachment. BASIC Beginners All Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. BCC Blind Carbon Copy. Blob Binary Large Object. BNC British Naval Connector. CAN Computer Area Network. CCD Charged Coupled Device. CDFS Compact Disc File System. ADC Analog to Digital Converter. ADSL Asymmetric Digital Subscriber Line. AIFF Audio Interchange File Format. ALU Arithmetic Logic Unit. API Application Program Interface. ARP Address Resolution Protocol. ASP Active Server Page or Application Service Provider. These are two meanings. According to the condition, it will be vary. ATM Asynchronous Transfer Mode. BBS Bulletin Board Service. BIOS Basic Input Output System. BMP Bitmap. CAD Computer Aided Design. CC Carbon Copy. CD Compact Disc. CDMA Code Division Multiple Access. CDR Compact Disc Recordable. CD-ROM Compact Disc Read Only Memory. CDRW Compact Disc Rewritable. CGI Common Gateway Interface. CISC Complex Instruction Set Computing. CLOB Character Large Object. CMOS Complementary Metal Oxide Semiconductor. CMYK CAN Magneto Yellow Black. CPA Cost per Action. CPC Cost per Click. CPL Cost per Lead. CPM Cost per 100 impressions, 1000 impressions. CPS Classroom Performance System. CPU Central Processing Unit. CRM Customer Relationship Management. CRT Cathode Ray Tube. CSS Cascading Style Sheet. CSU Channel Service Unit. CTP Composite Theoretical Performance. CTR Click Through Rate. DAC Digital to Analog Converter. DARPA Defense Advanced Research Project Agency. DBMS Database Management System. DDL Data Definition Language. DDR Double Data Rate. DDR2 Double Data Rate 2. DHCP Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. DIMM Dual In Line Memory Module. DLL Dynamic Link Library. DMA Direct Memory Access. DNS Domain Name System. DPI Dot per inch. DRM Digital Rights Management. DSLAM, Digital Subscriber Line Access Multiplexer. DTD, Document Type Definition. DVD, Digital Versatile Disc. DVD-RW, Digital Versatile Disc, Rewritable. DVD-RAM, Digital Versatile Disc, Random Access Memory. DVI, Digital Video Interface. EBCDIC, Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code. EDI, Electronic Data Interchange. EMI, Electromagnetic Interface. EUP, Enterprise Unified Process. FDDI, Fiber Distributed Data Interface. FIOS, Fiber Optic Service. DOS, Disk Operating System. DRAM, Dynamic Random Access Memory. DSL, Digital Subscriber Line. DSU, Data Service Unit. DV, Digital Video. DVD-R, Digital Versatile Disc Recordable. DVD, that is DVD plus R, and that is DVD minus R. Digital Versatile Disc Recordable, and both are same. DVD-RW, Digital Versatile Disc Rewritable. DVR, Digital Video Recorder. ECC, Error Correction Code. EIDE, Enhanced Integrated Drive Electronics. EPS, Encapsulated Postscript. FAQ, Frequently Asked Question. FIFO, First In, First Out. FLOPS, Floating Points Operations per Second. And FPU, Floating Point Unit. FTP, File Transfer Protocol. GIF, Graphics Interchange Format. GIS, Graphic Information System. GPU, Graphics Processing Unit. GUID, Globally Unique Identifier. HDTV, High Definition Television. HFS, Hierarchical File System. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. HTTPS, Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. ICANN, Onion, Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Number. ICMP, Internet Control Message Protocol. ICT, Information Communication Technology. IEEE, Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers. IM, Instant Message. FSB, Front Side Bus. GBPS, Gigabits per Second. GIGO, Garbage In, Garbage Out. GPS, Global Pointing System. GUI, Graphical User Interface. HDMI, High Definition Multimedia Interface. HDV, High Definition Video. HESF, Heat Sink and Fan. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. IO, Input Output. ICF, Internet Connection Firewall. ICS, Internet Connection Sharing. IDE, Integrated Device Electronics or Integrated Development Environment. These are two meanings, and these meanings are uses according to the environment. IGP, Integrated Graphics Processor. IMAP, Internet Message Access Protocol. INIC, Internet Network Information Center. IPX, Inter-network packet exchange. IRQ, interrupt request. ISC/SI, Internet Small Computer System Interface. ISO, International Organization for Standardization. IT, Information Technology. JPEG, Joint Photographics Experts Group. JSP, Java Server Page. KDE, Key Desktop Environment. LAN, Local Area Network. LDAP, Highway Directory Access Protocol. LIFO, Last In, First Out. LUN, Logic Unit Number. MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. Mbps, Megabits per second. IP, Internet Protocol. IRC, Internet Relay Chat. ISA, Industry Standard Architecture. ISDN, Integrated Services Digital Network. ISP, Internet Service Provider. IVR, Interactive Voice Response. JRE, Java Runtime Environment. KBPS, Kilobits per second. KVM switch, keyboard video mouse switch. LCD, liquid crystal display. LED, light emitting diode. LPI, lines per inch. MAC address, multimedia access control desk. MANET, mobile ad hoc network. MCA, micro channel architecture.